Oh my gosh, after yesterday I'm a little bit tired. Bye bye, thank you.
Have a good
Come
night.
on.
Thank you.
Okay, it's time to start a new day. My last day on Ha Giang Loop. I was talking with the owner of my hotel, asking him about the recommendation because there were 2 roads that I could take. And I was asking, of course, on which there's much less construction works. And he advised me to do a little bit longer road to stay safe and avoid heavy road constructions. The market in the Gia, oh my gosh, they have almost everything over here. Oh, Miss Chanel. Oh my god, what a line, but what can I do? I need to refuel the motorbike. 95. Okay, I just refilled the motorbike, I'm ready to go. Not so many kilometers in front of me, but it's gonna be probably around 5 hours in the saddle, so totally 6 or maybe even 7. So whole day traveling, but having such a beautiful scenery around over here, I cannot complain. Just I'm praying for not to get to any kind of road construction. I mean, after yesterday, I was so bloody tired. Right now it's so hot that my phone doesn't want to work. It's around 36, maybe 40 degrees. Fortunately, I found some other riders and asked them about the road because I didn't have any kind of range in my phone. The navigation wasn't working. It was all the time saying it's overheated, it has to cool down. So yeah. Sometimes it might be a good option to buy just a proper map. Part of adventure. I was having problems with the phone due to the high heat. I decided to stop in a small cafeteria to drink something cold and stay in the shade for a while. Locals were very interested in my bike. Oh my god. And I asked the guy which road's gonna be better. Fucking hell. Oh. I'm glad it was only short part. Ay, 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 ay. Oh no. Another wonderful. Oh, finally! Woo! Scares me. I mean, look at this view. Oh my god. Yesterday I got notification on Facebook to mark myself as safe. There were some heavy storms in the area. That's probably why that there are so many rocks and a lot of sun on the road. Honestly, after a few days in saddle here in Vietnam, I can say that in the airport, when you land, there should be a sign, expect unexpected. Really, on roads here you can see everything, roosters, buffaloes or snakes. When I was living in Hanoi, I got a tip from other Vietnamese rider. When you find animal on the road, you have two options to survive. When it's big, aim to its ass, because there is no chance that it will turn around. When it's small, aim to its head, because it will be more scared than you are. You can also find gigantic potholes, or in your lane, the tarmac will end, just in the corner. You cannot also forget about the major rule. The bigger has more rights. So don't be surprised when you find another vehicle in your lane. All of that makes traveling across Vietnam exciting, because every day is a true adventure and you don't know what the next corner will bring. And here in Ha Giang, you will find hundreds, thousands of corners. It's really a little paradise for the riders. Let's go! Woo! And believe me, less means more. I mean, take as less stuff as you can and don't even look for big machines. Not without the reasons Vietnamese people ride on the small motorbikes. They are perfect for those roads. Oh my gosh, what a day, guys. I need to chill out a little bit in the shadow. And a cute cafeteria. The owners are over here, both of them, and they have spectacular view from their cafeteria. Just check it out. And they have a cold water, which I love it, in such a heat. Ha Giang, baby, we made it! Woo! To the very end of the loop. so happy and grateful that nothing happened to us, that we're coming back to Hanoi just with the good memories, and I hope it will stay like that till the very end of my whole trip. Now I'm taking him to Hanoi for the well-deserved guarantee service after the first 1,000 kilometers, and hopefully they're gonna clean him too because he's in the dust and look visible and he's supposed to be shiny. Early start, but late breakfast. I couldn't find any place to eat. I mean, there were plenty of small restaurants, but like with the proper lunch food, with the pho, with the soup, and for me it's way too hot. But finally, I found a spot. In one place I bought iced tea, which is fantastic in such a weather. And another one, sandwich, Banh My. So, time to eat. Take care of the city, and I'm heading to Halong Bay. I see dealership on the horizon. Woo! Oh my gosh. Hello.
Make it.
Yeah. It's a little bit dusty. Sorry for that, but
Hello. Let's
Hi.
jump the bikes in, let
Cool.
it cool
Yeah.
down, and
Yeah,
then
yeah,
post
yeah.
service. Okay.